Assalamu alaikum. So in today's video, we'll discuss the A-level content for computer science 9618 code. So the first chapter that you are going to study, that chapter is a data representation, and from the representation chapter, we have to prepare for three topics: user-defined data types, then the file organization and access methods, how we organize the file, sequential, serial, and then random access files, and then how we are going to handle with the decimal numbers, the floating point numbers, their representation and the manipulation, because how we represent the floating point numbers in binary form. So we will discuss that, and then from next chapter, chapter number 14, you are going to learn about the protocols, the circuit switching, switching. We already have learned about a few of the protocols in AS level computer science. So in the A level computer science, we are going to have a deep knowledge or deep learning for those protocol side, and then we are going to learn about the circuit switching and switching, and what is the difference among the two switching methods, and how we use them over the internet. Then the next chapter would be about the hardware and the virtual machines. So we are going to discuss it with the concept of the processor that we already have discussed in AS level, the processor, then the parallel processing and virtual machines, then Boolean algebra and logic circuits. We already have done logic circuits in your AS, but here we are going to discuss about the full adders, then the half adders, then flip flop circuits, and what is meant by what is the drawback of using flip flop, and what is the advancement of the flip flop circuit, that is your JK circuit. Then we will discuss the chapter 16, that is system software. In the system software, we are going to discuss about the purpose of an operating system, then the translation software, different translation softwares that are available. Then in the security chapter, you will discuss the encryption methods and the encryption protocols and digital certificates, that you need to abide by those rules while you are communicating over the internet. And then in the artificial intelligence chapter, we are going to discuss about different methods or different techniques that have been developed over the years in the field of artificial intelligence. And then computational thinking and problem solving. In computational thinking and problem solving, you will discuss this topic is more programming based topic. So we'll discuss how we write different sort of algorithms, and what is the possibility of using those algorithms, like in terms of less number of steps, and what is the more efficient algorithm, and how we write the more efficient algorithm, or how we use different methods to make our algorithm more efficient. Then we will use the recursion methods, and the last topic would be for the programming, that is programming paradigm. We'll discuss the programming paradigm, how we are going to use one of the language that is prescribed by Cambridge International Assessment Examination. So we'll discuss those with the help of that particular programming language. So file processing and exception handling, this is all about the course that we have to cover for A level computer science in short.